Good morning, all the students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, Standard 6th subject English. In the last video, we learned about activity 2 or 3 of the chapter 5 we can invent. And now, in this video, we'll go for the next activity, that is activity 5, the crow and the teacher. So all the students, please open your English textbook, page number 39. First of all, you all have to understand carefully with me about all the activities, and then you have to complete workbook exercise about all the chapters and write down the question answer about it. So let's start activity 5. This is a story about crow and the teacher. Wonderful story. Let's start. The crow and the teacher. टीचर मीन्स हम बोल सकते हैं कि घड़ा, जो हम पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं. टीचर मीन्स अ लार्ज कंटेनर with wide round base, straight side and narrow opening at the top. जो टॉप है उसका वो नैरो होता है और कंटेनर विथ वाइड राउंड बेस. So let's start. One day a crow was very thirsty for many days. There had been no rain. His throat was very dry. He felt weak. He was too weak to fly. If the crow did not find water soon, he would die of thirst. He felt too weak to fly, but he walked on looking for water. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि एक दिन जो क्रो है वो was very thirsty और वो पानी के लिए इधर उधर देख रहा था और उसका जो थॉट है वो वेरी ड्राई हो चुका था और वो पानी के लिए उसके आसपास में देखता है. सडनली द क्रो कम अपॉन अ पीचर ऑन द ग्राउंड. द पीचर हैड वाटर इन इट. द क्रो पुट हिज बेक इन द पीचर बट द वाटर वॉज टू लो फॉर हिम टू रीच. The crow was so very thirsty. He tried again to reach the water. Scratching his beak and neck and back as far as he could, he struggled and strained and ruffled his feathers, but he could not reach the water at the bosom of the pitcher. Suddenly क्या होता है कि वो जो क्रो है वो टीचर के ऊपर ग्राउंड में आके बैठ जाता है और उसके बाद में क्रो को पता चलता है कि ये जो टीचर है उसमें वाटर है, लेकिन वो टीचर में वाटर था वो बहुत ही लो था. उसके क्रो है वो पहुंच नहीं पा रहा था उस वाटर तक. वो बहुत सारा स्ट्रगल करता है और रफ्ट यानी कि moved something and strain यानी कि forced to stretch. Then finally he stopped. Crows are smart, and this crow stopped struggling and stepped back to look closely and think calmly. The crow noticed many rocks on the ground. He began to put the rocks in the pitcher. As each rock went it, the level of the water rose in the pitcher. After many rocks, the water was finally at the top of the pitcher. The crow could reach it. He finally got the drink he needed. Clear? अब क्या होता है कि उसके बाद में जो क्रो है वो, हम सबको पता है कि क्रोज जो होते हैं वो वेरी स्मार्ट होते हैं. After many rocks, the water finally rose to top of the pitcher and जो क्रोज को ड्रिंक करने की ज़रूरत थी वाटर, वो उसे मिल गया। सो यहाँ पे हमारी स्टोरी कंप्लीट होती है। और इस स्टोरी का मॉरल क्या है? द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज नो प्रॉब्लम इज टू बिग इफ़ यू टेक टाइम टू थिंक ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन। यानी कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी समस्या है वो इतनी बड़ी नहीं है कि हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है वो बिग नहीं है इफ़ हम उसे सही समय सोचने का दे, उस सॉल्यूशन को सोल्व करने का, तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है वो बड़ी नहीं है। यहाँ पे क्या किया कि क्रो ने कामली थिंक किया और उसके बाद पिक्चर का जो पानी था वो ऊपर आ गया और वो उसे उसकी प्यास बुझाने में मदद हो सकी। सो इसीलिए नो प्रॉब्लम इज टू बिग इफ यू टेक टाइम टू थिंक अ सॉल्यूशन। ओके, सो now go for the next activity, that is activity number 10. So let's start activity number 10, page number 43, a paper video game. अब यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि हम पेपर वीडियो गेम कैसे खेल सकते हैं, वो उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या ज़रूरत पड़ती है देखते हैं हम। समथिंग ओरिजिनल फॉर चेंज, माई वेरी ओन गेम. I am sure there must be plenty of the other people that have made something similar to this. But until they come and put me up on this, I am the proud to sole creator of the paper video game. This is something that I had created sometimes in 5th or 6th standard when handheld video games were a craze in India. I wasn't able to get my hands on one so well. I created one with whatever resources I had plenty of the time, namely paper and pencils. First, how to create one you need. अब यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है कि उस पेपर वीडियो गेम कब से स्टार्ट हुई कि जब वो पार्ट जो 5th और 6th स्टैंडर्ड में थे तब से इस पेपर वीडियो गेम की शुरुआत हुई थी। अब यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि उसमें कौन सी थिंग की ज़रूरत रहती है बनाने के लिए, देखते हैं। फर्स्ट जो है, how to create one you need. A piece of paper, ruled or otherwise, pencil and eraser, a fertile imagination, another teeny piece of folded paper, aluminum foil tightly rolled into a small ball with a flat bosom. Then step 1 is first fold the sheet of papers as illustrated. There are 2 folds required. This gives it a kind of spring effects. Don't press too hard to make fold 2, otherwise the paper lose its springiness. Wrap it for all 4A of sheet of paper. And now step 2. Now draw your beautiful game on it. I generally created courses that my little paper full bowl had to make a cross with alternate courses and bonuses as etc. Draw your controls on the paper and voila, you have your paper game like so. And now step 3, what will happen? That now place the little ball at the start of navigate it through the mentoring courses with your controls. Like I mentioned earlier, making your paper, foil, ball, felt at the bosom give you better control. Otherwise, you tend to lose control if it is completely round. Practice makes perfect. It is a unique difficult to master this game. So little patience is required in the beginning. But once you master at the art of moving your little ball, you can never go bored in railway station. Okay, so this is a paper video game. Something difficult or something change. Okay, I hope you all are understand very well. And now you can go for the workbook exercise and question answer about the unit number 5. You have to write down on self. Thank you.